This is another quite recent acquisition. This I also got yesterday. This is a rather large, um, kind of a dishpan type, um, warehouse-like kind of fixture. Quite unusual in that it has a 240 volt cord on it. I actually got this with a. It was sold with a 1 kilowatt metal halide lamp. Although obviously you hook one of those up to 240 volts will blow up, because those lamps need a current limiting, which is what the ballast is for. And it's also really big. For scale, that is a PS52 envelope, 1 kilowatt, 250 volt lamp. So it's only pretty about 900-ish watts, given that it's running about on the order of about a 5% to 7% or 8% under potential. But it's still really bleeping bright. I'm planning on getting some, I think they're PS35 envelope or PS40 envelope. I think a PS40 envelope. 500 watt, 250 volt lamps from Atlanta Light Bulbs as part of my usual Christmas present shmoo, which would be a lot more serviceable than this. And also, they probably wouldn't stick down from the fixture because focus you. Because the problem with this is that the lamp sticks down several inches. The filament, which is I think that's a C7 or C7A filament, is the kind of plane of the filament is more or less level with the rim, or it's the plane in which the rim of the thing resides. I don't know, thinking too much mathematics. Okay, but anyways, that's the thing. Also, if I can get more of these, or at some point, I don't know if I'm going to just replace it with a 240 volt or with a 120 volt cord, because it is a really long, nice cord. I mean, if I have a need for the cord, I'll probably just cut it off maybe a foot from the fixture and just stick a 120 volt plug on it, because I've also got a much better selection of 120 volt. Focus, come on, prick. 240 volt lamps. So, anyways, it's kind of big. Yeah, it's also useful for Earth hour. Assuming the world hasn't blown up in civil war by then, which, given all the Islamic State darkery that they've been conducting recently, is a likely consideration.